In this video, we've picked 10 of the most useful tools for yard cleanup. Whether you're dealing with leaves, branches, overgrown shrubs, or just want to keep your outdoor space tidy year-round, we focused on tools that match different needs, from simple raking to heavy-duty hauling. So whether you have a small garden or a large yard, you'll find something here that makes cleanup easier, faster, or just less frustrating. Let's talk about the 10 best yard cleanup tools. Number 10. Garden Leaf Rake. A leaf rake is the most basic and traditional tool for yard cleanup. It's ideal for gathering dry leaves, pine needles, and grass clippings from small areas or delicate spaces. Manual raking gives you precise control, especially when working around plants, fences, or uneven ground. While slower than powered tools, it's useful for touch-ups, light work, or when you don't want to deal with noise or batteries. For homeowners with small yards or garden beds, a rake remains an essential and dependable starting point. Once debris is gathered, the next step is to collect it in a way that's quick and manageable. Number 9. Yard waste bag with stand. A yard waste bag with a built-in stand keeps the bag upright while you load debris. Regular trash bags often collapse, causing frustration and delays. The standing bag design helps you work faster and more cleanly, especially when dealing with dry leaves or hedge trimmings. It's especially helpful if you're working alone and don't have a second person to hold the bag open. This tool doesn't do any cleanup itself, but it makes the collection process more efficient and less messy. But if your cleanup includes heavier loads or longer distances, a static bag might not be enough. Number 8. Garden cart or dump cart. A garden cart is made for transporting yard waste, tools, soil, or even mulch. It's much easier than carrying everything by hand, especially across large properties. Many models include dumping features, allowing you to empty the contents without lifting. It's useful during larger cleanup sessions when you're trimming trees, pulling weeds, or collecting bulky branches. If your yard is more than just a small patch of grass, a cart saves time and reduces back strain. Now, reducing the source of falling debris can make future cleanups easier. Number 7. Cordless Hedge Trimmer. A cordless hedge trimmer allows you to cut back overgrown shrubs, hedges, and bushes. Overgrown plants drop more leaves and twigs, which creates extra yard mess over time. Trimming helps keep your landscape neat while also preventing buildup of debris on the ground. Cordless models offer better mobility than corded tools, making them ideal for trimming along fences, walls, and pathways. This tool is useful if your property has regular plant growth and you want to reduce ongoing cleanup tasks, even with trimmed plants. Large areas with falling leaves still need fast surface cleanup. Number 6. Lawn Sweeper. A lawn sweeper collects debris like leaves, pine needles, and grass clippings across wide areas. It works by sweeping material into a collection bin as you push or tow it over the yard. This tool covers large spaces much faster than manual raking, and it saves your back from repetitive bending. It's especially helpful in the fall, after mowing, or if your trees constantly shed. For homeowners with big lawns or recurring leaf problems, a sweeper is a huge time saver once collected. Leaf piles often take up too much space to manage easily. Number 5. Leaf Mulcher or Shredder. A leaf mulcher or shredder reduces the volume of leaves by breaking them down into smaller pieces. This makes them easier to bag, haul, or reuse as garden mulch. If your trees drop a large number of leaves every year, this tool keeps the piles manageable. Some models are standalone while others attach to vacuums or blowers. It's a practical solution for anyone dealing with big fall cleanups or who wants to recycle yard waste efficiently, but not all yard debris is soft. Fallen branches also need attention. Number 4. Cordless chainsaw. Light duty. A cordless chainsaw is useful for cutting small branches, storm debris, or dead wood. It's safer and easier to use than a gas-powered saw, especially for light duty work around the home. Cordless models require minimal maintenance and are ready to use without mixing fuel. If your yard has trees or you get occasional storm damage, this tool helps keep things under control. It's not meant for logging or large tree jobs, but for regular cleanup. It's more than enough. Now, when you want to avoid raking or blowing, direct vacuuming becomes more effective. Number 3. Leaf vacuum and Mulcher combo. This tool vacuums leaves directly into a bag while shredding them into mulch. It's perfect for patios, driveways, and flower beds where blowing debris just moves the mess around. Instead of forming piles, you collect and reduce the waste in one step. This tool is useful if you want a clean finish in tighter areas with less mess afterward. It's a good fit for homeowners who want to skip raking altogether after removing debris. Hard surfaces may still look dirty or stained. Number 2. Pressure washer. A pressure washer helps clean patios, decks, driveways, and siding. It removes dirt, moss, mold, and built-up stains left behind after yard cleanup. Even if your lawn is clear, a dirty walkway or patio makes the space look unfinished. This tool is best used after your main cleanup to restore outdoor surfaces. It's ideal for seasonal cleaning or prepping your yard for guests or outdoor use. And now for the most versatile tool, one that's useful almost every week. Number 1. Cordless leaf blower. A cordless leaf blower is the go-to tool for regular yard cleanup. It quickly moves leaves, clippings, sawdust, or even light snow off your lawn and hard surfaces. Cordless models are lightweight and easy to handle, with no cords to trip over. Use it after mowing, during fall, or anytime your yard needs a quick refresh. If you want just one tool to handle general debris across different seasons, this is the most efficient option. This list is meant to help you decide which tools actually fit your yard and your cleanup routine. You don't need everything on this list, but having the right combination of tools can save you hours of work. Think about how big your yard is, how often you clean up, and what kind of debris you're dealing with. Choose tools that match your needs, whether you're doing light weekly maintenance or a full seasonal overhaul. This list is designed to help you understand which tools are available for yard cleanup and how each one solves a specific problem. Depending on your yard size, the types of debris you deal with, and how often you clean up, some tools may be essential while others are just nice to have.